Hi, Mamapreneurs. I'm here to talk about the Home Business Academy. What is it? Is it worth it? What is it all about? Okay. So there's two things inside the Home Business Academy that we're talking about today. One is that they have an amazing funnel system. And two, they have a home business course as part of it. But the best part is they have an 80% affiliate rate. Now, what does that even mean? And is that even worth it? Is that a scam? Is that even anything worthwhile? And I'm here to break that down for you in terms of what are these two things. So we're going to go through the all-in-one business academy today. And so I'm going to start by jumping right in and sharing screen and unlocking the mystery behind what it all is, because I think it's really important for you to know, especially if you are that in-between mompreneur. What does that mean? That means you're like me. You've already taken some big course. You're down this entrepreneur route, but you haven't figured out or made what you consider to be successful, or to the point that you're not sure if you can keep going. I want to give you the tools to make sure that you don't give up on your messaging, because your message is so important. I want to make sure that we start to alleviate some of the stress of the money that is stopping us from being the true entrepreneurs we were meant to do. And part of that is affiliate marketing. So I'm starting with this program because I think it is one of the great ways for you to dive right in and start marketing as a way to segue into giving you the space to breathe and get a little bit of room as you figure out your own message and who you need to reach, because your voice is so, so important. And I want to make sure you have the tools to keep going and be the mom, the wife, the person that you want to be without feeling the pressures. So let's dive into the Home Business Academy, because it might be the solution that you need. So I'm going to share a screen to just share exactly what it is and what is this all-in-one thing. So first of all, you get to try both systems out for just $25. So we're going to go ahead and share screen. And this is the Home Business Academy. I'm going to move all my boxes out of the way because, Zoom just likes to put everything in front of you. Sometimes we just need a break from where we normally are, right? I meant to start just here at the beginning. So let's just type in Home Business Academy. And we're just going to go to login so you can see directly from the beginning how this all works. Oh, well, I'm still logged in. So we're going to go to the Home Business Academy. Right here, this is a part that is the $25 a month. So what do you get inside of this $25 a month funnel builder is on scene. So first of all, just the trainings in this is it shows you how to create funnel pages, shows you how to optimize tips. Shows you all about how to make those funnels. And again, they give you a home business funnel just for promoting their affiliate ranks. And again, you're getting 80%. So for every person underneath you that joins this, you're going to get $20. Now, it's not a one-time thing. It's $20 a month as long as they continue with the program. This gives you a monthly steady income with people who love this funnel. They even show you the privacy policies and the terms and give you templates for it. So you can just go ahead and put those into your funnels. They show you about member sites. They have member sites on here. They have video hosting that they can get at super low cost. You can replicate business pages for your teams. They even have an appointment booking widget in here so that if you are using Calendly and stuff, you don't necessarily need to. You could use their widget. So you come over here to click on their widget and they'll give you directions right here on how to use it. They have videos for everything. They show you the split testing. You're going to hook up. The one thing you do need to hook up is an email response system. So they recommend GetResponse. That's one way to go. MailChimp will go through the ones that hook up automatically in just a moment. But they give you all these things. See, there's even a quiz funnel training in here, which I just did another video because this is what drew me to the Home Business Academy was I wanted to create a quiz. Quizzes are a really great way to bring in people to you, but they're so expensive. And in fact, I was on here with Interact, just looking at this in the last video, but look at the pricing for Interact, which was one of the ones that was really recommended as I was searching for which quiz program to use. They have an annual of $27 a month, but their monthly is $39. So the Home Business Academy is just $25 with the quiz function already built into it. So you're getting more than just a quiz function. And here, if you come down to light, for a month, you're only getting 500 people who can take your quiz before you have to start paying even more. Then you're going to be paying $89 to get up to 2,000 people. I was just doing my quiz, I just created it last week. When I looked at it, I already had 79 people who've taken the quiz. And that was without me promoting it at all, except for one talk that I did, and I had it at the end of it. But I haven't even really promoted because I wanted to just send out some people to keep tweaking it to make sure it was what I wanted. And I was going to start promoting it next week. So that was without even promoting it, that I already had 79 people. So that's doesn't leave me much more for the rest of the month if I was at 500. This, as long as you sync it up with your email system, there is no limit. Can you believe that? And that's already included with what you already have. So, and there is, so if you come down here, there is even the training for the quiz funnel in here as well. So it shows you how to do your autoresponders, everything. So then you click on here to actually go into the funnel business, and you try to just keep, they have 3 different places to log in. You just try to keep the same password, so you can just keep clicking. So this is my quiz I want to show you, but what I want to show you really quick is the settings. So the email systems that it hooks up with automatically, if you come over to applications, you add an application. So it has MailChimp that it connects automatically to. MailerLite. This is to get your Facebook pixels, so you can see how many people are connecting with the things that you're doing that you send out into Facebook. You get response, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, MooseSend, and then you can connect to any email server if you're able to connect with these points. And then personally, I did not connect my email server because I didn't even know it had that part. But down here, if you look at my confirmation page, results page, so just say the results page, what I was able to do was I was just able to put a form into my email system and simply put the code here, so that if you take this right here, I'm just showing you, you can just see that it just took that code, and then people will go directly into my email system without having to worry. So there's always a workaround for you as well, which I love about this program. So we're going to go back to our funnel building system and see what else is in here. So moving this out of my way, that is the $25 that you get. So you're able to create all those funnels, all those pages, and part of it is in the affiliate zone. If you look over here, right here, you go into your login to Samcart, which is where the affiliation all sits. Always go in through their buttons, don't log in directly through the website. But if you come down here, they give you all the pages that you just need to copy and paste, and they give you the funnel building system to promote their product right away. So this is a great workaround to start the affiliate rate, to start getting some monthly income and just starting out. And I've already got a couple people who are very interested in it. I just did this in the last week or two because I was trying to figure out how to build a quiz and how to do it well in a way that wasn't going to cost a lot. So now with my email system and this is only an additional $25 a month versus what Interact, which was the number one that people had recommended. So that is what you all get for the $25. You get access to that whole funnel builder that you can create. Now the premium is an additional $125, but again, if you own the product and you get people buying it, you only need 2 people under you before you're already in profit. And what do you get with that? Well, they have all kinds of courses in here about getting traffic, pre-traffic, bookmarks, setting up, how to do it. And you have how to launch your business. These are all little YouTube ranking, podcasting 101, Facebook, blogging for businesses. These are all courses inside of here. So you can go to podcasting 101, and then it goes through and you have details on how to do those things, how to get paid traffic. So they go how to use YouTube automation, how to do Facebook. And then you get sales conversion questions as well. Now, the best part is you get coaching live. So every day at 11 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, I believe it is, there is an hour where you get to watch and see how they work. Last time I went on one, they were showing you how to put the description in for the YouTube with the right SEO. And it's great to just watch someone who already knows what they're doing, already making the 7 figures, and you can pick their brain. You can ask questions as they're doing it. And they have that every single day. Plus, every Monday night, they have a mastermind where they bring in people, showing you what they're doing to market. The one I went to talked about how he was doing his Instagram. And I started to look at the different ways of how he was going to give me such different ideas on how to do it. So they bring on 2 guest speakers every week to give you ideas of how marketing is working for them. So they have these live masterminds, and then there's links to all. Plus, they have the daily mindset every single day to come in here and get your mind, because you know what? It comes down to a lot of times is how we think about how things are going. So that is, again, $125 per month. But again, you're getting 80% affiliate rate for anyone that gets underneath you. If you're not ready to do the $125 a month, but you want to start promoting it, they will give you a week's warning. If someone does buy it from you, they'll give you a week to pay just the $25 then to have the program, and then you get the commission. If you don't own that section, you won't get the commission then. So they do have a financial literacy course, which I've heard great things about, which they charge $500 for, and it's only a one-time fee, but then anyone underneath you, you will get $400 for. But again, they'll give you that same warning. If someone else wants to buy it, they'll give you a week to pay the $100 so that you get the $400, and then you own the course as well, and you can keep selling it. So let's take a look at some figures that they show about the affiliation. So if you have 5 people who are underneath you and you get the funnel builder, you're getting $100 a month, just residual for them being part of this. If they have the premium, then you're getting $500. If they have both, then you're getting $600 a month. So we're talking about just 5 people who have both the funnel builder and the coursework, that you're getting $600 a month, as long as they're still members. Now, we're not talking about a one-time fee. This is monthly. So look at how many people you can get. Again, making sure that you're aligned with the product. So check out the product. Again, for $25, you can now see if you like the funnel builder, and you can get 2 weeks of free premium to see if you like the Zoom calls, if you like the messaging that the owners have. They are a great bunch. The owners of this company are Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchins. Now, I had no idea who they were or anything about them, but if you go through some of the videos and stuff, they talk a lot about themselves and just their hearts and why everything came to be. And again, they're getting 20% of everything that comes back, and they keep adding to the program. So they're never not working on things in the back end and doing all these things. But the one thing I want to show you as part of this as well, if I can share your screen again, maybe we're getting there. But if you look at their site, the other thing that they are all about is making things better. And so in the 20% they get back, they also are donating. You can see 303,360 days of meals provided to kids so far in the community. So part of the 20% that they get back for having this program as well, they're already giving back to the community as well. That's not even part of the part that you get. And so to be part of all of that, their hearts are in the right place. But honestly, business-wise, it's a great decision. If you want to make a quiz, if you don't have your funnel pages done, if you don't have these things already in place, this is a great, easy way to do it. And then having the premium is great as well if you want the coaching and the helpfulness going on with all the other options and courses in here, plus the daily Zooms. Also every Saturday, so it is Monday through Friday for these Zooms, and then every Monday in the evening for the mastermind business ones as well. And then on Saturdays, which is part of the Funnel Builder Academy, is you can meet them every Saturday morning. Go on there and meet them and ask questions about, it's for new people who are new to the Business Academy. They'll tell you their story, where it comes from, how this all came to be. But most importantly, you can ask your questions about the Funnel Builder at the end of it as well. So there's so much interaction, so many ways to get help in all this. And right here, you can come down here to the little chat box, which will let you ask something and type it in and find the answers for you. This is a way to get your message into one's place, get that quiz built that's going to help with those lead generation. And while you're doing that, sharing with your entrepreneur friends who feel the same stuck way that you are, here is a way to help each other rise while we're figuring out our messages and getting them into place, because it takes time. But in the meantime, we still need to find a way to support our families and a way to make sure that we can not give up on our messaging. And that's what I feel the Home Business Academy is all about, and a great place to start and become part of. So I want to invite you to join. Affiliate link down below. And again, when you join through me, you'll be getting messages and stuff to also join a weekly women's circle where we can grow and support each other and make sure that our voices are heard and to make sure that we're releasing anything that's hiding our genius from coming out. Because that's what I am all about, is finding the genius in each one of you and making sure that it is shared with the world, because we need more mamas to really take control of this so we can change the narrative for the world and provide a better place for our kids and inspire our kids to follow in their genius as well. And that's what the Mama Genius Hub is all about. So join me in the Home Business Academy, and as well as the Women's Circle will be part of the Mama Genius Hub through Connecting Mamas. And I will see you very soon. Bye, everyone.